Hello, everybody. I am your host, Crow the Songbird. This is Budgie, and this is Magpie. Say hello and give them a lovely round of applause. Yeehaw. One thing that I've discovered is that you can say yeehaw every time you want to say huzzah and vice versa. Yeehaw. And any Renaissance fair song that one is singing that wants to make you groove and wants to make you move, you can also just start like ho-downing it and have a good grand old time. Anyways, speaking of ho-downing and having good old grand times, we're going to sing a fully non-ho-down song. We're going to be singing one called Santiana. Now, Santiana has a very repetitive piece in it. If you would like to join along, I will be singing, "Oh, Santiana, came the day," and then you repeat, "Evil way, Santiana." What's the next bit?
It's right here.
Oh, Napoleon of the West, they say. Then you sing,
"Along the plains of Mexico,
well, heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiana. Heave her up and away we'll go.
along the lanes of Mexico."
She's a fast clipper ship and a fully good crew. Heave away, Santiana. And an old salty yank for a captain too.
Along the lanes of Mexico,
Well, heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiana. Heave her up and away we'll go.
along the lanes of Mexico.
Santiana fought for gold. Heave away, Santiana. Around Cape Horn through the ice and the snow.
Along the lanes of Mexico,
Well, heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiana. Heave her up and away we'll go.
along the lanes of Mexico.
'Twas on the field of Molly Del Rey. Heave away, Santiana. Well, both his legs got blown away.
Along the lanes of Mexico, well,
Heave her up and away we'll go. Heave away, Santiana. Heave her up and away we'll go.
along the lanes of Mexico.
It was a fierce and bitter strife. Heave away, Santiana. The General Taylor took his life.
Along the lanes of Mexico,
Tiempo lava, que tiempo lavo.
he said, "Oh, Santiana,
Si devait toucher toi des dons, nous serons jusqu'à
San Francisco."
Santiana, now we mourn. Heave away,